God is the most intelligent being, supreme intelligence. But God did not call himself, I am the sacred brain. He called himself, I am the sacred heart. Mga kapatid, marami po sa atin, we always operate from the head. Wais ka, brilliant ka, go ahead. Thank you. Many of us operate from the mouth. Or we operate from the pocket, from connections, from power. Kulang po yan. You have to go back to the heart. It's not weakness to have a heart. Ito pong hingin natin kay Lord. Lord, make us more and more your children with the heart.